Cinematic videos have a completely different feel compared to normal footage. They use smooth editing, dramatic colors, sound design, motion, and storytelling to create a more emotional and professional look. And with Adobe Premiere Pro, you can create cinematic videos even as a beginner. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to make cinematic videos in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Premiere Pro and import all your video clips, music, sound effects, and assets into the project panel. Now drag your main footage onto the timeline to create a sequence with matching settings. Before editing, organize the clips into a rough story structure. Cinematic videos usually focus heavily on storytelling and pacing. Now trim the footage to remove unnecessary moments and keep the pacing smooth and emotional. Slow motion can help create a more cinematic feeling, especially during emotional or dramatic scenes. Music is one of the biggest parts of cinematic editing. So choose background music that matches the mood and emotion of the video. To make scenes feel more immersive, add sound effects like ambience, footsteps, transitions, wind, or environmental audio. And that's your full guide on how to make cinematic videos in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create smoother, more emotional, and more professional-looking videos using Premiere Pro.